Part C MCQs. Mr. KG filed a complaint against Mr. P alleging Mr. P communicated unpublished price-sensitive information to Mr. X. Mr. P took a plea that Mr. X requested him for such information. State the correct statement. The correct statement is Mr. P will be liable as he communicated about unpublished price-sensitive information to Mr. X, whether with or without his request for such information. Question 2. An intermediary fails to enter into an agreement with his client, hence penalized by the SEBI. Advise Mr. Ingenious as to what remedies are available. He may be given extension on the basis of the reasonable ground for not entering into an agreement with his client. Question 3. With whom central government file an application if it is opinion that such a scheme is not in public interest or interest of the creditor? Answer is it may be through special leave filed before Supreme Court. Question 4. Alpha, a listed entity. Company maintained its website. Company having one material subsidiary, Beta. One of the board members of Beta, also board members of Alpha. Advise time period within which Alpha submit quarterly and year-to-date standalone financial results to stock exchange. Answer is within 45 days of end of each quarter other than the last quarter. Question 5. SEBI ordered Delhi Stock Exchange to produce their books within 30 days of receipt of communication. Communication was received on 30th April. No documents were furnished till 15th May. State the consequences. Answer is show cause notice may be served by DSE not be penalized for not submitting of the documents within the time limit. Actually there is a error in question. The date here is not 15th May, it is 15th June, but the question in ICI material is like this only, so I repeated this here as it is. P Limited was holding 35% equity of X Stock Exchange. Company appoints M Limited as its proxy, who is not a member of X Stock Exchange. State the correct statement as to appointment and on voting of rights. The correct statement is X Stock Exchange can restrict the appointment of M Limited and also voting rights of P Limited if rules of the exchange so provides, otherwise can restrict the voting rights of P Limited and appointment of proxies through amendments in rules. Question 7. Number of independent directors in audit committee. 2/3 of members of audit committee shall be independent directors. Question 8. How much capital restructuring shall submit a statement holding of securities and shareholding pattern with stock exchange? Answer resulting in change exceeding 2% of the total paid up share capital. Question 9. SEBI imposed a penalty for violation of takeover code directions. Seeking your advice, apprise with the time period for appeal with SAT and Supreme Court. In case of filing appeal with SAT within 45 days from the date of order of the copy made by SEBI or adjudicating officer, and in case of filing appeal with Supreme Court within 60 days from the date of communication of the decision of order of SAT. Question 10. SEBI constituted its board as per section 4 with 3 whole-time members, but one of them resigned to refill. Took 1 month. Examine the acts done in vacancy period. Answer: all acts are valid as per section 8 of SEBI Act 1992. ABC and question 11. ABC and Company auditor of Jet Limited. Mr. B is engaging partner. Team of 15 members. 2 members passed information to their friends and relatives that profit is increasing by 25% before information came into the public domain. They made profit by purchase at low price, sold shares at enhanced price. State whether it is a insider trading, if yes, penalty. Answer: yes, it is insider trading, and penalty under section 15G would be minimum rupees 10 lakhs, which may extend to rupees 25 crore or 3 times of profit derived, whichever is higher. Question 12. A Limited wants to revise rate of interest of its 12% bond by 1%, that is 13%, from 14th August. Proposal is to be laid before board meeting to be held on 14th July, up to which date A Limited has to intimate to stock exchange as per regulation 29. The answer is 3rd July 2019.